Thiini wa kiria gituikite unduire wa o muthenya ofici-ini cia ministry ya ugima wa mwiri wa gutemaniria a Kenya ithabu ria haria murimu wa COVID-19 ukinyite o ringi.
Yeah, it's good. Good afternoon.
Muthuri uria wina uigiririki wa kuhoria mwaki wa murimu uyu tiga gutherema akuite riboti ya ihoru.
9 people have tested positive, bringing to 225 the number of confirmed cases in the country. We have 12 new discharges, bringing to 53 the total number of people who have recovered from the disease. Unfortunately, we have also lost one person, bringing to 10 the total number of people who have died as a result of the disease.
Murwaru wa ica ikuhi gukua arerikana ati ni mwendia wa miariro urari na murimu wa cukari mbere ya gumirwo ni COVID-19. Wira uria ararutaga niguo tumite minister wa ugima wa mwiri atare a Kenya matige mutugo wa kugura mask o haria makinyirira makiria riri watho wa kuhuthira mask wambiriirie kuruta wira.
We are aware that part of the handling of masks is not hygienic, but you continue to improve and tell people on how to handle these masks. I have just told you that don't just go buying a mask from a person who is looking dirty, a person who is not who you can see is not washing their hands. Don't buy, because it is dangerous to do so.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni ambiririe gutuma maabitha ayo kaunti-ini kurora mihango ya mehaririria ma kung'ethanira na murimu uyu na kuruta utarani wa maundu maria magiriire gwikirirwo uthondeki-ini wa wodi cia kurigita arwaru a COVID-19 na thabari-ini ici thirikari yugite ati igutigirira ni yahungura kaunti-ini ciothe. Thutha wa kugathika mitaratara itiganite ya kuhurana na murimu uyu, thirikari riu yugite ati itharaita riria irenda kuhuthira kihinyo ni ria guthima andu aingi kwa uingi, makiria riu kwina macini cirahuthira utaramu wa kiriu. Mwonjoria Jack Ma onake no ongereire uteithio ungi wa macini cia kuhotithia guthimana na cia kurigita arwaru, na riu thirikari yugite ati ni iharirie kwambiriria guthima andu kwa uingi.
Yesterday we tested close to 100 healthcare workers, and we thank God that most of them and all of them, the ones we tested yesterday, were safe, and we are doing targeted testing.
We are aware that there are those looking at our figures and celebrating a bit too early. Let me send out a word of caution. We are not out of danger.
Na arwaru 225 thiini wa kaunti 21 kwaya gukorwo kuri na kaunti citari na arwaru no cirerwo cinao tondu kiria thirikari ireka ni kurora gibande giaku gutekumakania kuria unyiteire murimu uyu. Kwa muhiano njikaraga Nairobi no gibande giakwa kiugite ndi wa Kiambu na inginyitira murimu uyu Nairobi, thirikari ikuga ati murwaru uyu ni wa Kiambu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.